Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla, and today I am gonna show you the course programming for everybody getting started with Python. And if is there anyone not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to identify on every update. Okay, let's start. And our course is search here. This is our course programming for everybody and getting started with Python from University of Michigan. Okay, I'm already enrolled in this course, so we can directly go to the course. Okay, this is our outlook for this course. If you need, you have to check in desktop mode also. Here's the desktop site. Check here to get desktop mode on your mobile. It is pretty easy on desktop site. Okay, in first and second week, check here. In first week, unlike second week, there is no any weeks of assignments or quizzes. So you have just watch this video and readings and nothing to do, and here practice exercise if you want to do, and readings and video. Just complete these three things, you can directly go to week 3, and the both weeks are directly accepted. There is no assignments at all. And week 3, the first quiz one. Let's start with this. We have 3 items for every 8 hours. Let's resume. If you are new, their option is attempt. Okay, here the answers. Sorry, I am not going to do this. I am do this in the last of this video. So we are now doing for graded quiz. All normal quizzes are I'll add in the last part of this video. So we have directly go to graded external tool. Just check it and open tool. Okay, here's the same code you have to put your box. Basically this is like this. I'll just recently edit this as print hello world. Okay, so you can directly check the code here, and we have decide output as hello world, but our output is like here hello world. So the both are matched and the grade are updated in servers. Okay, we have to done here and get back to our programming for everybody home page. Then we are directly going. This graded tool is completed 100%, and the quiz chapter 1 is attached in the last part of this video, and we are going for fourth week and graded external tool assignment 2.2. Here the code is not correct, so we have to place somewhat changes here. If you want, you can skip this video. Okay, it's done. And now check code here and enter name as capital S R A H Sarah. Enter, and the code is running. We have to decide output as this, and answer is correct. We can check our output as hello Sarah. The both desired output and our output is same. Okay, here we done. And get back to our programming body. Programming for everybody. It's fourth week and it's done. We are going for graded external tool assignment 2.3. Here the code is not correctly placed, and we have to add somewhat data to this course. Type along with me or else skip this to directly where I completed the coding. Okay, you have to paste this code as it is and check our code. It will ask for hours. Okay, here they are giving 35 hours and 2.75 rate per hour. So check code, place here 35 and OK, and enter the rate as 2.75 and then OK. Here getting the output. Yeah, our output, desired output, and answer is correct. Here we done. Okay, we have to get back to week 5, and week 4 is all. Week 4 graded tools are completed. The quiz is left. We have to do the quiz laterally. These total 7 weeks of course, no problem. Let's move graded tool assignment 3.1. It is not working properly. Wait. Okay. Here put the code as it is that I have placed here. Paste. See this code carefully. Don't confuse with this code. And we directly check the code. Put here as 45 and the rate is 10.5. Okay. Yes. The answer is yeah. Our output and desired output is same. So our answer is correct. And then done. Okay. Next we have to go to graded tool number is yes, 5th week. The assignment 3.3. Open the tool. Here it is a programming prompt for a score between 0.0 to 1.0 and enter the code is here. I can directly place the code is here because I already previously put this code. Check code carefully. It is better to take a screenshot. It is 16 line code. I think you are clear about this. Okay, then what we have to do, the desired output is B. For B we have to get from 0.8 is equal to B. So After checking the code, you have to put as 0.8 to get desired output. Yes, our answer is correct and our code is correct. There is our output is same and desired output is same. Let down in this. Okay, you have to go for the week 5 is done. The both courses to 3.1 and 3 is completed. Now we are going for 4.6. This code is same as per the previous code. Like that, code is compulsory use computer pay. That's not a problem. That code is must also required. So we have to read this all my codes and put this code as it is. There is started from def and ended from the common bracket. It is better to take a screenshot and just check the code. Enter hours as 45 hours and the rate per hour is 10.50. Okay, yeah, our answer is correct and the grade updated on servers. Okay, this week is completed, so there is only 1 week, the week 7, the graded tool 5.2. Okay guys, the week 7 graded tool is somewhat disturbing me, so on the graded tool 7 and remaining all quiz answers are being uploaded in the next video. Thank you for watching all these graded tool answers. If you anyone is not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to get notified on second part of this programming